Hey everyone in the Facebook, good afternoon, good Saturday. This week I received a number of phone calls asking whether or not the non-competing clause is enforceable in California. And I just thought I'm going to take this opportunity to share some general information with you, in that topic. And again, this is, I'm providing general information. So if you have specific question about your unique circumstances, always consult with your local attorney. Now, the question is that, the salesperson is currently employed by company A, and now this particular salesperson wants to work for company B. There is a non-competing agreement between the salesperson and the company A, but the company B is telling this salesperson, go ahead and work with us because a non-competing agreement is not enforceable in California. Well, I wouldn't say they are not enforceable, okay, blankly, because there are situations where the court did held up the non-competing clause agreement. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to tell you there is a public policy in California court that everybody in California has a right to make a living. Okay, and what's public policy? It's pretty much just a guiding principle of the judges that they go by when they are deciding on this type of issues. So what does that mean? Well, with that guiding principle in mind, these judges will look at the agreement, and whether or not the agreement is enforceable will depend on whether the time, how long is the time limitation, when is, how large is the geographic limitation, what is the relationship of the parties, whether or not you're employer or employee, whether or not you are a buyer or seller in particular business, whether or not your position within the company is upper level management or middle management. Okay, so all these factors will influence how judge will rule on this type of issues. Now, and also, the most important is what is the actual limitation? Is it because is it just employment? Is it because of certain product that you cannot sell within a geographic area, or certain things that you cannot do with this certain period of time? There are a lot of factors involved. And again, I'm only providing the general information. And for your particular unique situation, you should consult with your local attorney. Good afternoon. Now, if you have any question, you are welcome to email me. Again, this is Facebook Live, and this is going to be viewed by the public. So if you have any confidential information, don't leave a comment below. If you have a specific situation that you believe that I can answer, please email it to me at info@tonylulaw.com. That's info@TONYLIULAW.com. We will answer your question within, we will respond to your question within 24 hours. And if I don't know the answer, then I will point you to the right direction. And that's it for now. I'm going to go attend my day 4 of NLP training, and I'll talk to you soon.